Hey guys, it's Jessica. So I want to know, if your tutoring business is on Google My Business, are you getting results? I actually got a call today. Unfortunately, the guy wanted in-person tutoring, and he was polite about it, but he immediately said that he lived in my area and he found me on Google, and I was like, good, it's working. But he was very, I would say it was like the old-fashioned way where they just give me a little bit of information and then I'm having to ask them, okay, what is it that you're looking for? What do they need? And then he actually told me, once I told him my price, he said, for that price, I'd rather have in person. This, felt like a failure, but honestly, I was already feeling pretty good because I actually got a client earlier today, which was another referral that wasn't through the Google My Business, so fine. But it was really nice to hear that people are seeing my results. And so if that's something that you think you need to do, like if you have happy clients, which I'm sure you do, of course you do, go ahead and ask them when it's feasible to ask them to make a review for you and put it on Google. And there are a few ways that make that easy to do. I'm going to try to show you guys how to do it just in case you don't know, but this is how I've gotten it to work. And to be honest, I need to do a lot more of this myself. It's sometimes uncomfortable to ask, like,
hey, tell everyone else how good I am.
That's kind of annoying. Like, we don't like to hear that from our peers, but when you run a business, you kind of have to sell yourself a little, as weird as that sounds. So guys, let's look at how we actually leave a Google My Business review. And of course, I'm in the online tutoring world, but this works for other companies as well. If you've previously registered your business through Google, you'll be able to access the blue Google My Business icon from the drop-down menu. Be sure to keep your Google My Business page updated. Google makes frequent changes, so check this out from time to time to keep your business info relevant. When you spot the box that says Get More Reviews, here's what happens when you click on the blue tab. A shareable link will appear. You have the option to share this link on Facebook, WhatsApp, or Twitter, but you don't have to stop there. You can be brave and post this to all of your followers on Facebook, or place it in your business Facebook group if you have one. You can paste this link directly into an email, or you can add it to another social media platform. You could also add it to your link tree and direct satisfied clients to select the link and click the tab that says Write a Review. Google may ask them to sign in, but if they're already signed in, the Google Review option will pop right up. And if you noticed, I was showing you on my phone, but now I'm back to a regular computer. And be sure to give them some guidance as to what to say, because sometimes they don't really exactly know how to put your great services into words. So that's all for now. What would we do without Google, right? By the way, if a visit to your Google Drive is making you feel cluttered and anxious, I have a video that can show you how to easily organize your drive into folders that make sense. Click on the link in the corner of this video to view the video. If you love online tutoring content and other creative things, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is just the name of my business, PEZ Tutoring.